Hide your kids, hide your wife. Joey's about to start his motherfucking 335. There is no more mufflage going on with this thing. Damn, this thing's banging, boy. Yeah, I feel like I didn't get a lot of good driving clips with the new exhaust in the last video, so figured I'd throw you guys on the brain today. Listen to this shit. Oi! I cannot lie to you guys. Putting this exhaust on this car has been the most fun I've had with the 335 since I've gotten it. I might be a little bit ricer, but I almost feel like I'm having more fun with the sounds of this car than the speed. And I guess that could be for a couple different reasons. I feel like this car is almost a little too fast for the street. Like here, we'll do a little terrorize this guy walking his dog. Like, we're totally not doing double the speed limit right there, just like that. So it's like, it's almost too much power to just kind of floor it anywhere on the street. But the sound, you don't have to go fast to make a little noise. It might be a little loud for most people. So if you do have a 335i and you're catless, I would recommend probably getting an actual exhaust setup for your car, not just doing the muffler delete. But to each is their own. Here, we'll get a little... No pops that time, but... It does sound pretty good. I can't lie. Like, I really did not expect this car to actually sound good, and I'm thoroughly pleased with the sound. If you have a 335i, let me know down below what exhaust setup you're running. Whoops. Want to get a little anti-lag hit for you guys because this shit sounds kind of crazy. Steering all over the place. It boogies. Sorry, bud. Just in case, because the GoPro froze, we're gonna do one more anti-lag. I feel like the diverter valve is leaking on that. I got a boost leak. Oh, she's back. Yeah, I think something's wrong with my diverter valves because sometimes it holds boost, sometimes it doesn't. Might have to upgrade those. Arrived at my signature Shell pump. Gas prices looking a little high today, but we need some fuel. Well, I don't really need it. I got a half a tank, but I don't like to run this car below that, if possible. It's broken, I can't use this pump anymore. All right, I toughed it out. We got 20 bucks. Enter. It is time to make some noise. real hard. Now I need to connect to MHD here so I can data log, but it's not working. I don't get it. Thankfully I'm in Mexico. That's our data log. A brother with the same wheels. Back into this damn truck, dude. He's fucking large. Hell yeah, brother.
Feeling like I ain't a boss, feeling like I ain't a baller. I can't complain. Shawty, she been in a lot. Shawty, she lost in the sauce. She on a plane. I just get brain and get guap. I just get brain and get guap. This life is insane. This life is a dream and I like. This shit I like it a lot. I see through the pain. This life is a dream and I like. This shit I like.